freaking out. It's currently 6:55 in the morning, and last night, can you see that? 6:55 in the morning, and last night, bro, was one of the craziest days in the market. Last night, not even like an actual trading day, it was in the night where it happened. The market rally is like 6 points, I want to say, 7 points overnight. There's a trading setup that happened that played out exactly the way I imagined it would in terms of probabilities. I drew up that whole trading yesterday during the trading day, but it didn't work out, and it ended up working out. Now we were up almost 7 points just at market open. So it's currently 6:55 a.m. As you can see, I just woke up, and so I'm kind of freaking out right now because this whole entire morning, these past 25 minutes that the market has been open, nothing really has been happening. It's just been consolidating, but the move is happening again, bro. And I'm not one to get like super excited over a move, but just to know that this worked out, and it was like my own analysis, and it was just everything that I thought would happen is actually happening, just like makes me feel fucking crazy. So I'm gonna go try to take advantage of this move and get in my coffee right now, and I'll update you guys on how it goes, because I'm trying to really trade well today and take advantage of this move. I feel like every time something nice like this does happen, I kind of fumble the bag in the market, but right now we're gonna try to make it happen. I'm tired as fuck, as you can tell, but we did sleep good. It's trading the way I wanted to trade, or the way that was most likely for it to trade. Holy shit, this is just crazy, bro. It's such a nice move. Just wait, I'll show you guys, bro. It's such a nice move. I'm keeping my stop loss very tight, keeping my profit target very good, just to make sure I'm not greedy. And I'm basically in with like my whole account, basically. I had this mentor once tell me that if there's a really good move happening in the market that you're confident about, take advantage of it. As long as you're disciplined, do what you gotta do to make money. It's kind of what we're doing right now. And this move, man, is just so nice. It's a bread and butter move. It happened overnight. That's just the one thing that's so shocking to me. Alright, I'll update you guys because I have to focus. In times like these, you really gotta be like fucking disciplined as you can possibly be, because my excitement is up right now. My emotions are up. So if I slip up, this could be either one of my biggest losing days, or it could be a very good day, depending on how I approach it. So days like today, it's crucial to just be super disciplined. So not only do I not let myself down, but I also come out with a decent outcome. This is what happened. Yesterday's trading day, it's super tight consolidation. I was hoping to go along like somewhere around here to take a trade above, which is this little bar right here. I wanted to take a trade from here around 496 all the way to 499. So I entered my trade right here at this arrow super early in the morning, and because I was going to work, I exited my trade at like 8:30. Then it starts dipping the whole day, and then finally at the end of the day it just decides to rally, basically completing the trade idea that I had in mind. Now, not only was this near the end of the day, overnight it went up 6 points, bro. It went up 6 points from my trade idea. The market rallying 6 points, SPY rallying 6 points, especially overnight, especially from a big ass move. It's just crazy. Like, and breaking new all-time highs overnight is just like all the worlds colliding. And last night when I was meal prepping, when I was doing everything I was doing, I did have an idea that today would be a crazy day in the market, and so that's why I want to just take advantage of it. I don't want to sell myself short, and I want to see what we can do. Also, throughout it all, be disciplined as much as we can, because that's what's most important. Yes, I did have a mentor back in the day say that when you are trading, when you are disciplined day after day after day, there comes a time in the market where you have to take advantage of a move that's going on. And on those days, you want to make sure you're taking on risks, that you're not scared to trade, and that you're following your plan to a T, because you want the outcome to be in your favor, no matter if it's a small loss or a win. So now I'm waiting, because for that whole big ass move, this is what's been happening so far. So pre-market, the market's consolidating, and then we dip right here into this demand zone, and everyone I guess was thinking we'll just dip, and then we rally, and I missed this whole move because that was when I was getting up. So now we're consolidating into this symmetrical triangle, and I'm just gonna wait to see if we can rally again so I can catch the next move all the way to 506, which would then theoretically be the next all-time high. So I'm in right now 7 contracts, and I'll let you guys know what happens. By the way, another thing just to mention, bro, because there's so much I can mention while I trade, is that yesterday I posted a video saying a little bit about the benefits of having a cash account versus a bigger account versus an account on margin. So a small account versus a large account on cash. And when you have a cash account, when you use your buying power, you can't really use that buying power again. So if either you have a large account where you can take on more trades, or you have to wait the next day in order to trade again. So I just used most of my buying power to take on this trade, to put on risk, which I was willing to do. And basically, if this trade doesn't work out and I cut it for a small loss or I cut it for a win, I'm done for the day. And it's okay, because if I come out with a small loss, that's fine. I'm gonna cut it. It is what it is. It's gonna hurt me because I really want to keep trading for the day, but it's okay. We're gonna cut our loss, and then if we come out with a win, that's even better. This is the hardest part right here. Just waiting, just looking at the market. It's not doing anything, but you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. The market isn't gonna move when you want it to move. It moves when it wants to move. So we're just chilling and just playing the waiting game, honestly, because everything looks great. And we'll just see what happens. See if it ends up doing the thing. After 14 minutes of consolidation, our trade is finally breaking out. Trying to keep a trader's mindset going. And I'm not trying to get overly excited, overly joyed, overly scared, nothing. Just trading. So we've been waiting for 50 minutes for this trade to play out. Just waiting. And finally it's starting to play out. So I'll update you guys on what the outcome is, but I'm just gonna really just focus in on trading, and let's see what happens. So we're still in our trade. It's currently 8:31 a.m. I've been in drawdown pretty much like 50% of this last 2 hours, but right now looking like we about to break out, so that's actually a good sign. We're at all-time highs. That's the issue, bro, because we have no levels to go off of, and we really don't have much information to work off of. Just knowing that, okay, his volume's here, the tape's looking like this, and then the setup obviously on the chart, but we need to really focus in on whether or not buyers or sellers are in the market being present in the areas we're trying to trade, because if not, then we're really trading blindly. And I'm still deep 7 contracts. My drawdown's crazy. I'll tell you guys after the trade, but I'm still just trying to focus in on this trade, and I've been doing a couple little things here and there in the meantime, just trying to get my mind off the charts. But if this doesn't work right after around 8:30, 8:32, it's okay. I'm gonna cut my trade and then we'll just move on, because I don't like to hold trades for too long if they're not going in my favor. By the way, Noah and Monse are awake too. He's eating and she's feeding him, and I want to be there too. So I'm like trading and then trying to be there, so it's kind of like a balance. But as soon as this trade is done, I think I'm done for the day. I think it's just a one and done day, because I got a lot to do. Yes, new all-time highs, baby. New all-time highs. We're at 505.74 on SPY. New all-time highs. Let's just see if more buyers come in, so that we can, price keeps moving higher. Because new buyers do have to step in, volume does have to increase. 505.74. Let's see. 75. Oh, yeah, I see 75 on the tape. 7577. Come on, baby. I know y'all want to buy this. Come on, baby. I literally got one profit target and I'm out. 55.8. 0.3. 0.84. Guys, check this out. I don't want to play myself either, but I also want to take profit. Ooh, baby. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm not risking this shit. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I'm out. Let's go. Been in this fucking trade for like the past 2 hours, bro. I'm not risking this. I'm done. I'm out, bro. I got too excited. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Bro, think about this. Oh, my God. It's still going up. But, bro, no, I can't handle that. I like, as a trader right now, I can't handle fucking... Last 2 hours I've been in drawdown. And I can't handle just seeing the market slowly go up as a trader right now, because number one, I'm not working with too much capital, and number two, it has been, since we're at all-time highs, we've been going up and down like a lot. So like basically consolidating a lot, and market really hasn't been deciding which direction it wants to go to. So because of that, I just cut my trade right now. Obviously you guys saw live the excitement too, but honestly, bro, I'm down. That's okay. We're out of the trade. I'm down. So I'm just gonna show you off my phone. It's really much easier for me. But we rallied in the morning. We rallied. Started consolidating a bit. I saw that. I was waiting, and then I entered right here. So for these past 2 hours, I've been in I've been in drawdown. My profit went up a little bit right here. I did take profit because I had belief that we would get to 506. We are at all-time highs too. But then we had this huge dip all the way till right here, till this demand zone, and I didn't cut my trade because after having 4 years of experience, you have kind of this intuition in the market that no one really talks about, because of the hours of screen time, because of the hours of journaling, because of just reflection that you've done, that it kind of like certain little things make sense to you. So it didn't make sense for me to cut my trade right here if we were still above this key level, and if we were having this crazy insane move. So I basically held my trade all until here. Then right here we started rallying again. Buyers started stepping in. I think they really just wanted to retest this level, and then we just made this huge move right here around this level right here. I got back to break even, and then right here I just took my trade off because of those reasons I just mentioned. Damn, I cut my trade at 505.84. My profit target was 505.06. But because I'm not working with too much capital, like I said, why would I just risk those little extra 20 cents for me to make, not, number one, not even too much, and number two, for me to risk the profit I already made. So thank God I'm out my trade. We just made $108, baby. $108. This trade was so exciting to me since yesterday, because I freaking journaled it, because I freaking did my analysis, because everything was aligning up. But I didn't trade it. I didn't swing because that's not my strategy. And I didn't. By the way, the sound you hear is Noah. And number one, I didn't swing because that's not my freaking strategy. And number two, we actually made the move overnight. So those contracts that I bought yesterday were at 105 or like 102, meaning $102 each contract, and I had like 3 of them. Now they're at almost $9, almost $900. That's crazy as fuck. But it just goes to show what's possible in the market. So we just got our trade. This is a screenshot I just took. 26%, $113 actually going into my broker account. $108, as you guys can see, is my account. And now our account's sitting at $578. So done for the trading day. Now I could finally get ready for the rest of the day. Go spend some time with Noah. But let's go, bro. That fucking pays off. 2 hours for $108, bro. 2 hours. But okay, obviously, the other thing people don't talk about, 4 years of experience that to make that of. So anyway, man, just I'm grateful, bro. I'm grateful that number one, that trade worked out. Number one, I was managing my risk, and number three, that things are starting to look cool. You know. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Deuces, I'm out. So one more quick thing before I leave, that I mentioned how I wasn't allowed to draw down during my trade. Like, here's a screenshot of me during my trade, 749. I was down $117. So number one, I know that's not ideal, but down $117, basically going off what I know, 0 DTE contracts, which I shouldn't trade, but because I have a small account I am doing, that's just what it takes. So like 2 hours of drawdown, $117 down to make the $108. I think it was worth it, and it's not going to be like that every single day, but this kind of gives you guys an idea of what it's like to trade during drawdown, and how to go about it with my mindset and psychology that I gave you guys. So yeah, now I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.